Many people do not know some of these tricks. Even though using the computer for 10 years, they still don't know these many tricks. So the first one is press Windows plus H. It will open up this window. First of all, you need to go to the settings and then turn on these two things. You need to have a text open, and then you click on this one, and then it's listening. So as you can see, and here, whatever I'm saying, it's gonna type it out for me. Like, follow, and subscribe. Let's say you have opened a lot of windows on your computer and you want to minimize all of them at once. So you can click Windows plus D, and it will minimize all the windows. And if you want to bring them back, just press Windows D again, and all of them will show up again. If you press Windows L, it will lock your screen. If you press Windows dot, it will open up the emoji windows, and you can put any of the emojis on your text. And if you are tired of seeing a lot of ads while watching a YouTube video, then what you need to do is, in front of T on the URL, just put an extra dash, then press enter. They will not show you a lot of ads on your video.